Stop what you're doing.
Stop scrolling.
Stop scrolling now.
Come back up.
Look, information for you now.
Press play.
Queer history.
Yeah.
Queer history now. Good.
Queer historians Sheldon K. Goodman and Sacha Coward are taking you for a walking tour along the Thames for Pride in London 2021. However, this isn't your usual walking tour.
The name Captain Kidd is synonymous almost with whopping, but what you probably didn't know is that he has a remarkable link to a notorious, probably bisexual friend of his called Robert Culliford.
Together, they will be showing you the little-known queer history that's peppered along the Wapping and Rotherhithe riverside for the Brunel Museum.
The prospect of Whitby behind me is probably one of the most famous pubs along the Thames. Now, it's been around for hundreds of years. One of the things you might not know about it is that for a long time it was a popular drinking spot for queer people.
Celebrate Pride in 2021 with 400 years of queer history condensed into the space of 90 minutes on Friday 10th of September as Sheldon and Sacha take you on Rainbow River.
Host and locale to some